experiencing dimensions that no human able to fathom. His ecstasy and intensity allowed him to transcend his physical form. Witnessing an individual human in union with the cosmos, they call him a yogi, as he was the first one, the Adi Yogi.
আউরি দেবো
15 মিনিট শুট এটা বিন্দু
কত দিনের মধ্যে আসবে বলছে
তো করে এগুলা করতে
তাহলে হাত তো ক্যামেরা তুমি ইয়ে করো
এটা শোটা দেবে
When his stillness lasted for years on end, curious onlookers melted away.
মতে ভিডিওটা পুরো পড়তে পারছো
এটা বন্ধ করতে ইউটিউবে বাহারি এটা
Only seven
এটা
seekers
এটা বন্ধ করতে
না 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 না
as they could not tear themselves away from him.
ପୁରା ଗଛ ହେଇଗଲା
ସାପ ହେଇଗଲା ଦେଖ
ଗଛ ଟୋଟାଲଟା ମୁହଁ ସାରା ହେଇଗଲା ନା ତାପରେ ସାପ ହେଲା ନା ତାପରେ ପତ୍ର ସବୁ ଖସିଲା ସାପ ଯେମିତି ରହିଲା
তাকে দেখলে
He transmitted the profound science of yoga in its full depth and dimension.
এটা ସବୁବେଳେ ଦେଖୁଛ ନା ଦିନ
ତ ବନ୍ଦ କରି ବସେଇ
He expounded 112 methods